What an exciting time. Can you believe that we are halfway through 2025? Unbelievable. So it's the first of the month, and I have been recently sharing Zip Capital financial reports on social media and through email to my investors. And I think it's great because public companies, as you know, publish their financial reports. I'm not a public company, but I'm an advocate of radical transparency. I think the more honest and open I am, hopefully, the more trustworthy and the more likely investors are to want to work with me. So let's talk about it real quick. Check out my social media pages if you haven't seen my balance sheet and profit and loss. I know it's not sexy and exciting, but if you're into business, I think it is kind of interesting. So let's look at the numbers real quick. First 6 months, I have $727,000 of private money loans outstanding just in Zip Capital. And then I have $359,000 of investor money. I have $863,000 of my own money invested into Zip Capital. And then I have about $523,000 sitting in my bank account right now, either waiting to be deployed on upcoming loans, or I have draws. So I might lend somebody $200,000, but I might only fund $150,000 at purchase. So I need to hold on to $50,000 for a rehab draw. I will eventually reimburse the borrower that rehab money. And then my profit and loss. I have $32,000 of income, net income, first 6 months of the year. I had pretty significant upfront cost to start my 506c investment fund, about $12,000 in filing fees and another $2,000 or $3,000 in blue sky filing fees, which not really sure what those are, but my attorney takes care of all of it. Last month, I did 2 new loans in Zip Capital. So I earned a little more than $9,000 in what I call earned income, because this is income earned from origination fees, processing fees, and underwriting fees. This is separate and different from interest income. So I earned $6,000 interest income, $9,000 earned income, and for a net income of about $12,000 back last month in June. So things are going well. My goal is to raise $5 million in Zip Capital. So we'll see what happens. Stay tuned. Right now I have 5 investors. I already have several other people in the pipeline. So we'll see what happens. I'm hoping to get at least 3 or 4 new investors this month in July. So if you want to learn more, if you want to chat, let me know. I would be happy to chat with you, what I've got going on, my processes, my underwriting processes, how I mitigate risk. Let me know. Reach out to me. Let's set up a meeting.